Okay, for this lesson, we practice sorting the categories under the particular headings of symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment. So you can see this is practice found within the course, so please spend time in that course content looking at everything. We also did some further practice talking about this question here: why does the author include different headings within the article? To answer this, it's most helpful if you spend a couple minutes reading the article. It's just what you see in front of you there on the left. Pretty easy. Our correct choice is that the headings introduce sections that explain how sustainability can be achieved in different fields. Okay, we also answered the question, what is the purpose of the table? To give readers examples of sustainable practices in two specific fields. So good practice for you to read through and make sure you understand why this is the correct choice and why the other ones are not. Last question here, based on the language in the article sustainability, who is the audience for the passage? So again, it's helpful to read that, analyzing that language. Your correct choice will be for general readers. We know it's not for the other people because it's not using vocabulary specific to those fields, such as technical language, and it's really written for someone who's not familiar with some of these items. Okay, and then we read through the text of 5 held in a plot to bug Democrats' office here. So we won't take time to do this now, but this is worth reading on your own, just a heads up. Make sure you spend time within the content itself reading the lesson. And then you can see if you understood the content. This particular chart we're looking at here, Reading for Meaning, is related to the youth and tobacco use article. If you haven't looked at that, check that out in a previous lesson video. Great information, good practice with informational text from the Center for Disease Control.